excited to share that today we will be redoing this sketch pad and creating something amazing. So you'll need some paper to your color choice, some amazing markers, pencils, scissors, and some glue. So I'm going to get started on mine, and I hope to see you soon. Sketch pad with your name on it. You can put whatever you like on it, whether it's hearts or flowers or dinosaurs or whatever you wish. I hope you've had as much fun as I have today, and thanks for watching.